Okay, pupils, today we want to look at multiplication. It is a continuation of what we talked about last time. Last time we were talking about multiplication of 2 digits by 1 digit with carrying. Now today we want to talk about multiplication of 3 digits by 1 digit with carrying. Examples. Let me use examples here to explain this. We have example 1. We have 456 multiplied by 6. As usual, in our class, we are supposed to have our exercise books underlined into 3 areas. We will have here, we will have the question. We'll have the question, then we have the working space, then we have the answer space. We have it like that. So make sure that your working space is big enough because all the calculations are done from this particular part. Now, we have a question, 456. You multiply by 6. When you get into your working space, you are supposed to have this question organized vertically. 456 multiplied by 6. Remember, this 6 occupies the place value of ones. So it should be located in the digit that is found in the place value of ones. So once you have your work like this, the next thing that you have to do is you have to make your table 6. You have to make your table 6 until you get the highest number here. Remember this, we have 4, we have digit 5, we have digit 6. So you make your table 6 up to number 6. So we go on. We know 6 multiplied by 0, you get 0. 6 multiplied by 1, you get 6. 6 multiplied by 2, you get 12. 6 multiplied by 3, you get 18. 6 multiplied by 4, you get 24. 6 multiplied by 5, you get 30. 6 multiplied by 6, you get 36. So you don't have to make the whole table. You don't have to go all the way up to number 12. You have just to stop at number 6 because our biggest digit here is 6. So we start from the ones. Remember, this digit 6 occupies the place value of ones, this one tens, and this one hundreds. So when we are multiplying, as usual, we start from the place value of the ones. So we say 6 multiplied by 6. So you have 6 multiplied by 6. We'll have 6 multiplied by 6. You come to your table, it is here. 6 multiplied by 6, we are getting 36. So we are going to write this 6. We are going to write this 6. We write 6. Then we carry this 3. We write 6. We carry 3. So the 3 that we carry, you write it here and you circle. The 3 that we are going to carry, you write it here and you circle. We circle so as we don't forget. We don't forget that there is a number that we are carrying. So our next step is 5 multiplied by 6. You have 5 multiplied by 6. 5 multiplied by 6. Or 6 multiplied by 5. You can have 5 multiplied by 6 or 6 multiplied by 5. It is here. In our table, it is here. So 6 multiplied by 5, we are getting 30. We are getting 30. But there's something, there is a number we were carrying. We were carrying this 3 here. So you have to bring that 3 here. You add that 3 there. And you cross it that you have used that 3. So you will get here 30 plus 3, you will get 33. You will get 33. Again, you write this 3, you carry this 3. So you write this 3 and you carry that 3. You write that 3 there and you circle it again. So our last, remember we have 3 digits here, is 6 multiplied by 4. 6 multiplied by 4. You can have 4 multiplied by 6 or 6 multiplied by 4. In whichever the case, you come to your table. 6 multiplied by 4. 6 multiplied by 4. You get 24. And we were carrying which digit? We were carrying digit number 3. So you close this 3 and you add it here. You close it here to show you that you have used that 3. So 24 plus 3, you will get 27. You will get 27. Since there is no any other digit here, so now we will not write this 7 and carry 2, but we will write everything. We will write 27. You will write 27. Then as usual, you count 1, 2, 3, you put your comma. You come, you write in your answer. The answer is 2,736. 2,736. And you underline. And you underline. Example 2. Example 2. Let us go to example 2. Example 2. We will have 396 multiplied by 4. We have 396. These are 3 digits by 1 digit. 396 multiplied by 4. So in your question space, you have 396 multiplied by 4. You come in the working space, you write it vertically. 396 multiplied by 4. So here, what shall we do? We are going to prepare our table 4. We are going to prepare our table 4. So we start from 4 times 0, you get 0. 4 times 1, you get 4. 4 times 2, you get 8. 4 times 3, you get 12. 4 times 4, you get 16. 4 times 5, you get 20. 4 times 6, you are getting 24. 4 times 7, you get 28. 4 times 8, you are getting 32. And 4 times 9, you get 36. Remember, you must know how to make the table. You must know how to make the table using the formula that I had earlier shown you, that you keep on adding 4. You keep on adding 4 to get to the next digit. So we go on. We have 4 multiplied by 6 or 6 multiplied by 4. You go to your table. You have 4 times 6. You are getting 24. So 4 times 6, you are getting 24. You write 4. You write 4, and you carry this 2. You write it here. You circle. You move to the next number. You have 9 times 4 or 4 times 9. 9 times 4 or 4 times 9. So you have 4 times 9 there. You come here, 4 times 9, you are getting 36. 4 times 9, you are getting 36. Remember, you are having 2 here that we had carried. So you bring that 2 here. You cancel. You are getting 38. You write number 8, you carry digit 3. You write digit 8, you carry digit 3. You write it somewhere there and you circle. Then the last one is 3 times 4 or 4 times 3. 3 times 4 or 4 times 3. We have 4 times 3, it is giving us 12. And we were carrying 3. So you add that 3 here and you cancel that 3. You are going to get 15. So we have no any other digit here, therefore we will write 15. We write that 15. Then you count 1, 2, 3, you put your comma. You come to your answer space, you write here 1,584 as your answer, and you underline. So far so good. That is what we talk about. We have just talked about multiplication of 3 digits by 1 digit. Now it is your turn to practice the following questions. You practice the following questions and you will submit your books for marking. exercise, multiply the following. Multiply the following. That is your activity. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have 416. You multiply by 8. You have 610. You multiply by 8. Then you can have 214. You multiply by 5. You have 116 multiplied by 4, and you have 106 you multiply by 7. So you will work on the following questions. Ensure that you follow the rules as we have learned here. Make sure that you show your table. Make sure that you show me your table in your workings, and make sure that your work is as clean as possible. Thank you.